Happy Thursday, fourth graders. It's Senora Femin here, and this week we started learning about opinion writing. On Tuesday, we began our final unit of writing for the year. We read one opinion about bugs on Tuesday, and then yesterday you heard a second persuasive essay about insects. Today we will learn about making our own list of possible opinions we have about ideas or things we feel strongly about. So yesterday when we thought about the difference between the two essays, Why Are Bugs Creepy or Amazing Insects, you were able to think about which one you agreed with more, and we put those thoughts down. You learned that people write persuasive essays when they have strong opinions about whether something is good or bad or right or wrong. Just a reminder, an opinion can never be proven as right or wrong because it's an attitude or a judgment that comes from within you. It is a strongly held point of view. When we give our opinion, we're saying what we think about something. And it's okay to have different opinions than other people. So, some possible opinions for persuasive essays might be bugs are creepy, or bugs are amazing. Maybe you feel strongly that kids should have more recess, or that basketball is the most exciting sport. Maybe you feel that watching a lot of TV is not healthy for you, or being outside is important for good health. There's lots and lots of possible opinions for persuasive essays. Some that I can think of that you might be toying with for this particular time of life. Maybe kids should only have to be on their screens 2 hours a day. Or maybe you feel kids should be able to pick which things they study about when they're doing distance learning. So if you are able to really put down your feelings and thoughts about an opinion you have, your words can have a lot of power. Sometimes letters have been written or essays have been written that are able to change people's opinions or change their mind about important things. So I want you to think about what opinions you might have that you could write a persuasive essay about. I'm going to give you some more ideas. I'd really like everyone to have an opinion writing topic list. There were a lot of things that I discussed on the prior slide, and here are some other possibilities. We should not have a school dress code. Pets should be allowed in school. School break time should be longer. There should be no homework. The school day should be shorter. Children should be able to use cell phones in school. I should get pocket money raised from my parents. I should be able to go to bed later. I should be allowed to have a pet or another pet. I should be able to stay at home on my own. I should be allowed sweets every day. Nobody should litter. Everyone should have to exercise every day. We should all grow our own vegetables. Or smoking should be banned for everyone. These are just possibilities. Maybe there are 2 or 3 on this page that you agree with strongly, and that could be on your own list. Today, you're going to do some writing, and this writing is going to be at minimum 10 minutes long. I will set a timer in the Schoology for you, and you have some choices again. You get to decide what you write about today. The number one choice is to make a list of opinions or topics you might want to write a persuasive essay about. You can get ideas from the lists, and the lists will also be in Schoology, or write your own ideas. Your number 2 choice could be that you write about your own opinions. Maybe you just feel really strongly that you want to write down what you're thinking about, what you feel strongly about today. And your third choice is to write about anything you choose. Maybe you feel like writing me a letter, or Senorita Becker or Senor Fim or Westbrook a letter. That's always a choice for today. So then you're going to write for at least 10 minutes. Then make sure it is a clear picture that you take and post it on Schoology so that I can see your teacher can see what you did during writing time today. So as long as you have at least half a page of writing, or what I consider 10 minutes of writing, you will get a 3 for your writing participation grade today. All right. Have fun writing and thinking about what are the things that you have strong opinions about. We'll see you tomorrow. Or no, actually, I'll see you next week on Monday.